sister. How are you doing today? I'm not sure when you're going to see this video, if this is going to be before I go on vacation or when I come back. This is a delivery that I got for my cruise trip. I bought some items that I needed, and whoops, I went ahead and just cut the tabs here to make it quicker. And hopefully this won't take a long time because it's a Croc haul. Yeah, I got 4 pair of Crocs to go for the upcoming cruise and then for the summer. So let's see, and I got something for the hubs. So I definitely got something for the hubs. So these are Crocs that I got, or wait. No, this was from Nordstrom Rack. This was from Nordstrom Rack. They were having a sale. It's been a while ago. I ordered these back. When did I order these Bean Beauties? Does it say when I ordered these? Does it say when it shipped? February the 9th. Yes, February the 9th. I know some of y'all say, how can you not open them? It's because I knew what was in here. I knew that they're going to fit me. So there was really not a need to, to open them until it's time to go. And like I said, I like to pre-buy my stuff in case, for upcoming things. I'm always looking out ahead. So that way I can be ahead of the game. So these, it doesn't say the price on here. These retailed at $17.87. I'll try to put them on there. So they're just some, these are not Crocs. These are Nordstrom Rack's slippers for the hubs. He needs some badly because his slippers are not very, very pretty looking, and they have the great bottoms because then he can go outside when he barbecues. He can just be in his slippers, goes and checks the mail, that kind of stuff. So I definitely like to get him these types for that. So that's pair number 1. So these pair, the rest of these are all the same shoes, because when you find a pair, especially when you have trouble with me, like me, and you find something that you like, then why not buy them in multiple colors? So do the same with my handbags. But these are called, I have been looking, and these have been out of stock for a long time from the Croc website, from everywhere, because these are called I think they're called the Candy shoes. The Candy is the name of, not C-A-N-D-Y, Candy, maybe it's on here. Their persimmon is the color orange, and I got a size 10. And this is what they look like. And I'll put the name of the shoe. But see, they're just really cute, and they're great color for the summer. And I have a couple of brand new orange blouses, so I knew that it'll go good. And I have a bathing suit in orange that I like to wear. I will probably only take 1 pair with me. These are pink also. Oh, these are a size 8. They sent me the wrong size. Or did I get these for my daughter? Maybe I got these for my daughter. Oh, Katie. They're the Katie sandals. K-A-D-E-E. Yes, I think I might have got these for my daughter. Because she wore the size 8. And then I got these in black for myself. Yes, because these are in a 10 as well. And they're the same. See? And yeah, it doesn't have the price on here, but I'll put it on there. But they're the Katie, K-A-D-E-E sandals. And so we have the black ones for me, the pink ones, a size 8 for my daughter, and the orange ones for me as well too. So these two, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll take them both. It depends on if I can fit them in there. I usually only just take like 2 pairs of pair of shoes on my cruise. I have a black pair of slip-on Crocs that I use for my dresses. They're black. They're like a kind of a ballerina slipper, but a Croc. And I take my daily Crocs that I wear all the time, and I use those. But I thought these would be good for the pool, and that way I don't have to wear my daily Crocs all the time. But we'll see. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you very much for coming by. Hope you like my Crocs and my Crocs and slippers. Ah! All right, Bean Beauty. Love y'all. Bye-bye.